With so many different Cuisinart air fryers on the market, narrowing down the top picks can be a challenge. Luckily, I've done the research for you by using my culinary experience to select both the best Cuisinart air fryer and the best Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven on the market today. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the current prices for each of the products. The number 5 product on my Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven reviews list is the Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven combo, which has a great capacity for cooking large meals. This versatile kitchen appliance combines air frying and toasting capabilities, offering a convenient solution for health-conscious cooks. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven combo brings versatility to your countertop. You'll appreciate its 7-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, bake, broil, and toast with ease. The spacious interior accommodates a 12-inch pizza or a 4-pound chicken, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining. One standout feature is the powerful 1,800-watt motor, which ensures quick and even cooking. The convection fan circulates hot air efficiently, resulting in crispy exteriors and juicy interiors for your favorite fried foods, all with little to no oil. You'll love the guilt-free indulgence of homemade fries or chicken wings. The intuitive analog controls offer a user-friendly experience. You can easily adjust the temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and set the 60-minute timer for precise cooking. The toast shade selector ensures your bread is toasted to perfection every time. Plus, the non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze. Air frying enthusiasts will appreciate the dedicated air fry setting and basket. This feature allows you to enjoy the crispy texture of fried foods with up to 70% less fat. It's a game changer for health-conscious cooks who don't want to sacrifice flavor. While the exterior does get hot during operation, the stainless steel construction gives it a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen decor. The whisper-quiet operation is a nice touch, especially if you're cooking early in the morning or late at night. With its 3-year limited warranty, you can feel confident in your investment in this versatile kitchen appliance. Checking in at number 4 on my Cuisinart air fryer reviews roundup is the Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer, which is the best Cuisinart air fryer for those seeking a conventional air fryer rather than an air fryer oven. The Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer boasts a generous 6-quart capacity, making it perfect for family-sized meals. You can easily cook larger portions of your favorite foods, from crispy fries to juicy chicken wings. The spacious basket allows for better air circulation, ensuring even cooking and that satisfying crunch you crave. With 5 cooking functions at your fingertips, this air fryer goes beyond just air frying. You can roast, bake, broil, and keep food warm, expanding your culinary possibilities. The digital display features 5 preset options, simplifying the cooking process for popular dishes. Just press a button, and you're on your way to delicious meals. Temperature control is key to achieving perfect results, and this Cuisinart model doesn't disappoint. The adjustable temperature range goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control over your cooking. Whether you're aiming for a golden brown finish or a tender interior, you can fine-tune the settings to suit your preferences. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with this air fryer. Many parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. The non-stick coating on the basket helps prevent food from sticking, making hand washing quick and easy when needed. The automatic warmer function is a game changer for busy households. Once your food is cooked, the air fryer can keep it warm for up to 60 minutes. This feature gives you flexibility in serving times, ensuring your meals are ready when you are. It's especially handy when family members have different schedules or when you're entertaining guests. Up next is the Cuisinart TOA26 Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven, which earns the 3rd spot on my list thanks to its efficient cooking capabilities and compact package. This Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven packs a punch with its 6-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, bake, broil, toast, make pizza, and keep food warm all in one sleek stainless steel unit. The 1,800-watt motor ensures quick heating and consistent cooking results. The adjustable temperature dial lets you set the perfect heat level up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're crisping up fries or baking a small pizza, you have precise control. The toast shade selector is a handy feature for getting your bread just right every time. While compact, this oven can still air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food. It's ideal for couples or small families who want the convenience of an air fryer without sacrificing counter space. The included oven rack, baking pan, and air fry basket expand your cooking options. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe accessories. The stainless steel exterior wipes down easily, keeping your kitchen looking tidy. Cuisinart backs this appliance with a 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. You'll appreciate the simplicity of the manual controls. There's no need to navigate complicated digital menus. Just turn the dials to your desired settings, and you're ready to cook. The clear view window lets you monitor your food without opening the door and losing heat. Now for the runner-up on my Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Reviews Roundup. You should seriously consider this Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven for its versatility and robust features that simplify cooking tasks. This Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven brings a whole new level of convenience to your kitchen. You'll love the array of cooking options at your fingertips. With presets for air frying favorites like wings and fries, you can enjoy crispy, guilt-free meals in no time. The large capacity is a game changer for families or entertainers. You can air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagel halves, or even roast a 4-pound chicken. The spacious 0.6 cubic foot interior means you won't have to compromise on portion sizes. Digital controls make operation a breeze. The large display and intuitive programming options allow you to easily select presets, temperature, and time. You'll appreciate the precision this brings to your cooking, ensuring consistently delicious results. Beyond air frying, this appliance doubles as a full-size toaster oven. Bake, broil, toast, and more. It's like having multiple appliances in one. The wide temperature range from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you the flexibility to tackle various recipes. What sets this model apart is its low temperature capabilities. You can proof dough, dehydrate foods, and even use it for slow cooking. This expands your culinary horizons, allowing you to experiment with new recipes and techniques. So, what is the best Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven that you can buy at the moment? Overall, considering its quality cooking performance and all the positive Cuisinart Air Fryer reviews, I'd have to say that the Cuisinart Toei 70 Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven is the best Cuisinart that you can buy today. This versatile Cuisinart appliance is a game changer for your kitchen, offering impressive functionality and convenience in one sleek package. You'll love the versatility of this Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven. It's packed with 8 different cooking functions, giving you the power to air fry, toast, bake, broil, and more. The 1,800-watt motor ensures quick heating and efficient cooking, while the wide temperature range from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to tackle any recipe with ease. The spacious interior is a major plus. You can toast 6 slices of bread at once, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, or even roast a 4-pound chicken. This makes it perfect for families or when you're entertaining guests. The 12-inch pizza capacity is particularly handy for those impromptu movie nights. Ease of use is a key feature of this appliance. You'll appreciate the adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and toast shade selector. These controls give you precise control over your cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. The oven light is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to check on your food without opening the door and losing heat. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze thanks to the non-stick interior. The included accessories, oven rack, baking pan, and air fry basket are all designed for easy cleaning. This means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. You'll find the stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek, but is also durable and easy to maintain. The compact design, measuring 12.25 inches deep by 15.75 inches wide by 13.75 inches high makes it a great option for kitchens with limited counter space. While it does take up some room, its multifunctionality means you can potentially replace several other appliances with this single unit. And with that said, I really hope my Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven review video helped you to pick the best Cuisinart air fryer for your kitchen. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.